Juniper berry can be used to treat a range of respiratory conditions, including colds, coughs, flu, and infections. It has a refreshing aroma that can help to combat stress, depression, mental fatigue, and anxiety. It is an excellent addition to your skincare blends, particularly for dry, sensitive, or aging skin. Juniper berry supports the urinary system as well as boosting the circulation, digestive system, and the elimination of toxins. Its analgesic properties can help with rheumatic pain and cramps. Juniper berry is a supportive, restoring, and tonic aid. It is used in acne treatments, for oily skin, dermatitis, weeping eczema, psoriasis, and blocked pores. It is considered purifying and clearing. Juniper berry's therapeutic properties are antiseptic, antirheumatic, antispasmodic, astringent, carminative, depurative, diuretic, rubefacient, stimulating, stomatic, sudorific, vulnerary, and tonic. It returns skin tissue to normal functioning. Juniper berry is non-irritating and non-sensitizing. Avoid use during pregnancy, and avoid if you have a history of kidney disease or high blood pressure. Juniper berry is a middle note.